Breaking news is hitting Social Security recipients right now, and if you were born between the 11th and 20th of any month, Wednesday, September 17, 2025, is your confirmed payment date, and there's more good news about your benefits than you might realize. Here's what's happening that affects your wallet directly. Social Security and Supplemental Security income benefits for more than 72.5 million Americans increased 2.5% in 2025. Which means if you're receiving the average Social Security retirement benefit of around $1,900 monthly, you're looking at an extra $47.50 each month compared to 2024. That's $570 more in your pocket annually. But there's a crucial detail many people are missing about this September payment. Wednesday, September 17th, benefits for those born between the 11th and 20th follows the standard Social Security payment schedule. But recent changes to the system mean some recipients might be eligible for additional retroactive payments they don't even know about. The Social Security Administration has been implementing updates that could impact your monthly check amount, and understanding exactly when and how much you'll receive isn't just about planning your budget, it's about making sure you're getting every dollar you've earned through decades of work. Whether you're receiving retirement benefits, SSDI, or SSI, these September updates contain information that could significantly affect your financial planning for the rest of 2025. Now, let me walk you through exactly what's happening with your September payment and why this information matters more than ever. The timing of your Social Security payment isn't random, and there's a specific science behind when you receive your money that many people don't fully understand. If you were born between the 11th and 20th of any month, Wednesday, September 17th, is your designated payment day, but there's more complexity to this system than most people realize. The Social Security Administration uses your birthday to determine when you get paid each month, and this isn't just for administrative convenience. It's designed to spread out the massive volume of payments they process every single month to ensure everyone gets their money on time without overwhelming the banking system. What makes this September payment particularly interesting is how it fits into the broader pattern of Social Security increases we've seen this year. When you receive that September 17th payment, you're getting the full benefit of the 2.5% cost of living adjustment that kicked in at the beginning of 2025. This might sound small, but when you break it down, it represents a significant improvement in purchasing power for millions of Americans who depend on Social Security as their primary source of income. The average retirement benefit increased by approximately $49 per month, which means over the course of a full year, you're looking at nearly $600 in additional income compared to what you received in 2024. But here's what's really fascinating about this September payment date and the current state of Social Security benefits. We're seeing some of the most stable and predictable increases we've had in years. Unlike the dramatic swings we experienced during the pandemic years when inflation was all over the place, this 2.5% adjustment reflects a more normalized economic environment. What this means for you practically is that when your September 17th payment hits your bank account, you can count on that amount being consistent and reliable for the remainder of 2025. There's no guesswork involved, no wondering if next month's payment might be different due to economic volatility. The timing of these payments also connects to something most people don't think about: the way Social Security payments are actually processed and delivered. Your September 17th payment is technically paying you for the month of August, since Social Security operates on what's called an arrears payment system. This means you always receive payment in the month following the month you're being paid for. So that September 17th deposit covers your August benefits. And this system has been in place for decades to ensure proper accounting and processing of millions of payments every single month. What's particularly important to understand about your September payment is how it relates to other benefits you might be receiving. If you're getting both Social Security retirement benefits and supplemental security income, your payment schedule becomes a bit more complex. But September 17th specifically applies to your Social Security retirement benefits if you were born in that middle range of the month. SSI payments follow a different schedule entirely, typically arriving on the first of each month, which means SSI recipients actually get their September payment on Friday, August 29th, since September 1st falls on Labor Day this year. The reliability of this September 17th payment date also represents something larger about the Social Security system that often gets lost in political discussions about the program's future. Despite all the headlines you might see about Social Security running out of money or facing a crisis, the basic payment structure and the reliability of monthly payments remains incredibly strong. The fact that we can predict with absolute certainty that payments will arrive on September 17th for people born between the 11th and 20th demonstrates the administrative efficiency and reliability that has made Social Security one of America's most successful government programs. Looking at the numbers behind your September payment reveals some interesting trends about Social Security benefits in 2025. The 2.5% increase was calculated based on the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, specifically looking at data from the third quarter of 2024. This methodology ensures that Social Security benefits keep pace with the actual cost increases that working Americans and retirees face in their daily lives. When you receive your September 17th payment, you're getting a benefit amount that reflects real-world price changes for everything from food and housing to transportation and medical care. The September payment also highlights something crucial about Social Security that many people don't fully appreciate: the program's incredible reach and impact. When payments go out on September 17th, they're reaching people in every corner of the country, from big cities to small rural towns, representing every profession and background imaginable. These aren't just numbers in a government computer system. They represent people who worked hard their entire careers, paid into the system with every paycheck, and now depend on these monthly payments to maintain their quality of life in retirement. What makes this September 17th date even more significant is how it fits into your annual financial planning. By this point in 2025, you've received 8 months of payments with the new increased amount, and you can start to see the real impact of that 2.5% adjustment on your annual income. If you're tracking your finances carefully, you'll notice that the extra money from the cost of living adjustment has added up to a meaningful amount that can make a real difference in your budget, whether you're using it for everyday expenses, medical costs, or even saving for unexpected needs. The September payment also represents the continuation of a payment system that has been remarkably consistent and reliable for generations of Americans. The fact that we can talk with complete confidence about September 17th as a payment date shows the stability and predictability that makes Social Security such a valuable foundation for retirement security. This reliability allows you to plan your monthly expenses, schedule your bills, and budget for the future with the confidence that your Social Security payment will arrive exactly when expected. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates.